We think the market is going to grow very materially, and we want to support that growth.
What market news or move has struck you the most in recent years in the private markets?
So what has struck me is the rise of private credit in general, and in particular in structured credit, where I focus. And there are two things, significant risk transfer and asset-backed finance. They both result mostly of the fact that banks need to effectively optimize their balance sheet and find new partnership now with private credit players like us at Cheyne Capital. Mostly what they try to do is to find ways to continue their lending by partnering with people in significant risk transfer. That's a way for them to optimize the capital consumption and continue their lending, or to retreat from certain asset classes, and that's where you see the asset-backed financing developing. Both of them, for me, are two legs of the same movement, and these two markets are actually the two markets in the structured credit space in particular that are growing very materially and that we think are going to continue to grow quite significantly in the coming years.
How do you see Cheyne Capital developing in private structured credit in the European markets?
We have an existing significant risk transfer strategy. Actually, we've been active for 20 years or more. We've launched a very active strategy more than a year ago in the space with a dedicated team and fund. And so what we intend to do is to continue to grow that very materially by developing meaningful and deep partnership with key bank partners, which for us will be important to work together. We think the market is going to grow very materially, and we want to support that growth. And we think it just makes a lot of sense for our own investors to be in an asset class that will be very well performing in our view in the coming years.